Once upon a time, in a small village at the base of a towering mountain, there lived a young boy named Kyan. Every day, he gazed up at the mountain, wondering what lay beyond it. The villagers had always said it was impossible to climb, but too steep, too dangerous, too exhausting. One day, an old traveler visited the village. He told Kyan, on the other side of the mountain lies a beautiful valley, rich with opportunities, but only those who dare to climb will ever see it. Kyan, despite his fear, decided to attempt the climb. The first day, he tried to run up the mountain. He made it only a short distance before collapsing, frustrated and defeated. The next morning, the traveler gave him advice. Don't focus on the peak, focus on your next step. The summit is reached by those who take it one step at a time. Following this advice, Kyan broke the climb into smaller, manageable goals. Instead of staring at the daunting peak, he focused on reaching the next tree, the next rock, and then the next. Slowly but surely, Kyan climbed higher. Along the way, he learned new skills, gained strength, and discovered that with persistence and strategy, what once seemed impossible became achievable. How to make hard things easier. The story of Kyan reflects the universal truth: the hardest challenges in life can be conquered by breaking them into smaller steps and approaching them with the right mindset. Here's how you can do the same. 1. Shift your perspective. Challenges feel overwhelming because we focus on their entirety. Instead, ask yourself, what is one small action I can take right now? 2. Embrace the process. Understand that success is a journey, not a single event. Celebrate small wins along the way, and they were proof of your progress. 3. Learn from failure. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of it. Each setback teaches you valuable lessons and builds resilience. 4. Stay consistent. Even the smallest actions, done consistently, lead to great results over time. As the saying goes, little by little, a little becomes a lot. 5. Ask for help. Just as Kyan relied on the traveler's wisdom, seek guidance from mentors, friends, or resources. You don't have to face challenges alone. Guidance for tackling life's challenges. 1. Break it down. Divide big tasks into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if you're writing a book, focus on one chapter or even one paragraph at a time. 2. Focus on growth, not perfection. Progress is more important than perfection. Each attempt brings you closer to mastery, even if it's not perfect. 3. Visualize success. Imagine how achieving your goal will feel. This vision will keep you motivated when the path gets tough. 4. Practice patience. Great things take time. Trust that your consistent efforts will pay off, even if results aren't immediate. 5. Stay positive. Keep a positive mindset by reframing challenges as opportunities to grow stronger, smarter, and more capable. A warm closing reflection. As you face life's mountains, remember this: it's not the peak that defines your journey, but the steps you take to reach it. Every challenge, no matter how big, becomes manageable when you approach it with determination and strategy. As Nelson Mandela once said, it always seems impossible until it's done. The road ahead may feel daunting, but within you lies the strength to overcome anything. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Take one step, then another, and watch as hard things become easier with every effort you make. So, what's your mountain? Begin today, and don't stop until you reach the valley on the other side. Thayawi.